How to fix Messenger message sent but not delivered. If any day you try to send a message to any of the person on your messenger but the messenger message do not get sent and do not get delivered, then just do not worry, as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device. After you go to the search icon on your mobile device, you have to search Messenger there. After you search Messenger there, you can see the very Messenger application on your mobile device. Now you have to tap on the very Messenger application there. After you tap on the very Messenger application, you can see the interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the app information. After you tap on the option of the app information, the very interface like this will appear on your very mobile device. After that, you have to go to the option of notifications. After tapping on the option of the notification, you need to enable allow notifications. You also need to enable allow sound and vibration. After that, you need to go back. After going back, you have to go to the option of permissions and tap on permissions. After tapping on permission, you need to allow the permission to the calendar, to the camera, to the contacts, to the location, to the microphone, to the music and audio, to the nearby devices, to the notifications, to the phone and to the photos and videos. After that, you need to go back again. After going back, you need to go to the option of set as default. You need to enable open supported links. After that, you need to go back again and then go to the option of storage and tap on storage. After that, if there is any cache, you need to go to the option of clear the cache and then you need to go back again. After going back, you need to go to the option of app details and store and tap on app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, you can see a screen like this. Sometimes the very app details and store will also lead to the very Google Play Store, and you have to check whether the version is the newest updated version or not. Mine is the newest updated version, and if you see like this and if your very version is updated, your problem is solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.